Hi everyone, we are going to continue with the types of chemical reactions. And as you remember, yesterday we did a single replacement reaction, which is basically one element react with a compound. Most likely this ionic compound, and this element can replace the other element in the compound to form a compound and to kick this element out. So that's we call it a single replacement reaction. What we're going to do today is we are going to go through double replacement reaction. A double replacement reaction involves with two ionic compounds. AB represent one, CD represent another one, and then this in this reaction, what's gonna happen is A, which is one element in this compound, will switch places with C in the other compound. So C turned out to pair up with B, C switch with A, and A pair up with D. Okay, basically A and C both are positive ions. Think about them, both are metals. They're going to switch places to form two new compounds. Okay, positive and positive switch. So why this can happen? Okay, there are a few situations can help this to happen. The first is it's a formation of a precipitate. What does it mean is I have two compound. This is a potassium iodide. This one can dissolve in water, form a transparent solution. And lead nitrate is another AQ, means in the water solution. Again, it can dissolve in water, form another transparent solution. But when we mix these two up, and what happened is this potassium can switch place with lead, and potassium nitrate is still soluble in water, is still transparent. But however, lead iodide is a solid. It cannot dissolve in water. Because it cannot dissolve, it will come out of the solution. We call this is a precipitate. So basically, when potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate, it produces a solid, which is lead iodide. Okay, it's all because this is insoluble, or you can call it forms a precipitate. Therefore, there is a reaction. We're going to go through more details during the live class, and also please enjoy the YouTube video in the pre-work assignments. Okay, the other type is a formation of gas. When we put the most, common reaction would be baking soda reacts with vinegar. Many of you might observed it before. You may try this reaction at home. When we mix up baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, with vinegar, and which is called acetic acid, and when you mix them up, what happens is sodium can switch place with hydrogen. What happens is sodium, it forms sodium acetate, and form this H switch place with sodium, it forms H2CO3. So combine this H with this part, so become H2CO3. This one is very similar components as what you drink in the soda. When you opened up the soda can, you see bubbles come out. It's all because the decomposition of this. We call this carbonate acid. Okay, this one can decompose immediately to form carbon dioxide and water. Of course, whenever you mixed up baking soda, vinegar, you're going to see bubbles. Those bubbles are all because of carbon dioxide. Okay, we're going to go through a lot more detail during the live class. Please watch the Edpuzzle video and take one sentence note, only one sentence, and then answer the questions in the Edpuzzle video, and also enjoy the two other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of your day.